Dropshipping, dropshipping, dropshipping. These days, it's almost impossible to open up YouTube and not see a video about dropshipping. For example, you can see all of these videos. These are hundreds of videos about dropshipping. However, are these I tried dropshipping videos actually helpful, and do they actually give you a genuine idea of what dropshipping is like and what results you can potentially get as a complete beginner? In today's video, that's exactly what I want to cover. So if you're interested if dropshipping is still profitable, if it's a good business model for beginners, and whether you should actually get started with this or not, or you're just interested in finding out the problem with these videos, perfect, keep watching and then let's just dive in. Yes, what is up guys, you were here. So before we go into the video, I wanted to let you know that there are free spots open as of right now for the free Faceless YouTube channel workshop, which is the fastest and easiest way to grow from $0 to $10,000 in profit with a channel where you don't show your own face or make the videos. So if you want to get one of these bad boys, I'll leave a link down below and then I'll see you there. Alright, so most of you will know that dropshipping is extremely popular. Now, like I just said in the intro, it's hard to open up YouTube and not see a video about dropshipping if you are into online business. So if you simply search for dropshipping itself, just that keyword, you'll see that you'll find tons and tons of videos about dropshipping that actually get a ton of views as well. This video right there, 910k views, 377k, 23k in just 4 days, almost 300k. So I can just keep scrolling down for a while and you'll see all of these videos about dropshipping. Now that means that the business model itself is extremely popular. YouTubers or people that make YouTube videos are making a lot of content about it and pretty much giving you sometimes the idea that it's extremely easy to do. So in today's video, I quickly want to cover these videos itself, why they're actually helpful or not helpful, because there are two sides to it, and then what you should actually look out for. First off, let's start off by explaining what exactly dropshipping is and what it's all about. So dropshipping is a form of retail business wherein the seller accepts customer orders but does not keep goods sold in stock. So for example, let's say that I would be selling this specific hoodie. I would not have this in stock, but what I would do is that when someone goes ahead and buys this hoodie from my website, I then forward the order to the supplier so that I don't have to keep a stock. So if we just put that into perspective, this is pretty much it. So the customer, let me quickly open that in a new window. The customer places the order and pays you the retail price of $200. You then forward that order to your supplier and pay wholesale, which could be $150. The supplier then directly sends out the product to the customer and you pretty much keep the $50 in profit. That is what dropshipping is all about. Now back to all of these I tried dropshipping videos, and let me quickly explain why there's a problem with these videos. Now first of all, I don't have anything against the people making these videos. For example, Tan is an amazing guy. He's creating amazing content. His channel is growing really fast. So shout out to him, his videos are great. Same for this guy, Sharif, his videos are awesome, almost 100k subscribers, and that is like most of the time the case for all of these YouTubers right here. All of these people are making good videos, the quality is good, the videos itself are pretty good. However, with some of them, and that's what you should look out for, they make it seem really easy to get insane results, right? So they go ahead and they try dropshipping and then they get insane results, which could give a beginner the idea that you could just get started with this and within a month you could make $100,000 in profit, which of course technically is definitely possible. Nothing wrong with that. However, if you're just beginning, chances of you doing that are almost slim to none, right? If you've never done online business before, or maybe you've done some stuff but you haven't actually gone in, then getting to 100k profit with any business is extremely hard, let alone with dropshipping in 2021. So if we take a look at all of these videos, you'll mainly see that the people making these videos, for example, this guy, the Ecom King, he's a legend in the dropshipping YouTube space, is making videos, right, about I tried dropshipping. However, their results are gonna be better than 99.9% of beginners. Now, once again, there's nothing wrong with the people making these videos or with the video concept itself. The only issue that might happen is that people watch these videos and they're like, hey, this is easy. Let me actually try that myself. And then they're doing it, but then after a week, they're gonna quit because they think it's a get rich quick type of thing, or a thing where you can easily get success which is definitely not the case. So you'll see that most people making these videos, and once again, this guy, Sharif, amazing guy, amazing videos, and the same goes for 10, are making videos, and you can see insane results. But the reason they get insane results is because they're already doing this. This is what they do. Now, the good part about these videos is that you can get a good perspective of what it takes and what you need to do. The problematic side about it, which once again depends on the video itself and the person, but most of the times this is definitely the case, is that it makes it look like it's really easy, or it feels really easy to go ahead and start a business like this and get insane results, even though they might tell you that it's not easy. That's definitely the case. So it would be the same if I were to create a YouTube channel right now and pretty much do like I tried YouTube for 28 days and then show off my results, which are going to be far better than someone who just started. So I've been doing YouTube for like 2.5 years by now, and daily, daily. So actively studying analytics, actively trying to improve the videos. So these videos itself, the quality of these videos are not crazy high, but I found that this quality works, and if I just do a lot of content within this quality, I can actually grow my channel really fast and make a good amount of money with this. So of course, someone who's already doing dropshipping, for example, like 10, who I believe is making like 100 grand per month with dropshipping, is gonna get way better results. And the same goes for this guy within these videos. So the fact that these guys are making these videos is like, that makes sense because the CPM on these videos is extremely high. So they're making good money from these videos. And they're legit, like these are not like fake gurus. They actually do this, but because of that, the I tried and then the business model is actually extremely different compared to people that are just gonna start. So if I were you and you're interested in dropshipping, watching these videos is great. Nothing wrong with that. However, don't try and get the same expectations as a video like this. So Sharif is already doing dropshipping. That is probably his main business model. That is what he's doing as an entrepreneur. And then he's making videos about dropshipping. So that is what he's doing. So of course, his results within 14 days are going to be far better than someone who's just starting out. And that is what I want to warn you for. Please, if you get encouraged, you get motivated by these videos, that is great. However, please don't expect to make the same amount of money as these people in these videos, because these guys are already extremely successful within this specific business model. And the same goes for what I just said for example, YouTube, right? So I do YouTube, and if I just go to, let me quickly type in automation. I made a video about trying YouTube automation for 30 days. That video is performing really well. Once again, I found that this format works, so I keep using it. But as you can see, the results in here in this video are luckily from me actually starting within the first 30 days, which I actually documented and I got the stats. But if I were to start over right now, those results are not going to be the same results as if I were just going to start out. So please look out for that. So please, when watching videos about I tried and then any business model, to be honest, please think about the fact that they are probably doing this already, so their results are going to be better, which is nothing wrong. Like, there's nothing wrong with that, but don't get these same expectations. Use it as motivation and try and learn from these videos. See what they're doing, look over their shoulder so that you can actually take that, use it for yourself, and then actually like create a business yourself that would actually perform really well. So that is mainly what I would do when watching these videos. So the main thing I want to tell you guys is don't watch these videos, then go ahead and start and expect the same results within 5 days, because these guys are pro, they're already doing this, and that is why they're making these videos and making good money with dropshipping itself. And that makes sense, right? But some people will go ahead, watch these videos, try it themselves, and quit after 5 days, and that is what I'm trying to warn you guys for. So yeah, please guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and let me know your thoughts on videos like these. Are they extremely helpful? Are they setting a wrong narrative? Which I don't think so, but just want to warn you guys. And yeah, just let me know your overall thoughts on videos like this. So once again, like, subscribe, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.